Hi, this is silentsolution. Today we are to see how to pgAdmin installation our Windows 11. Let's go. This is our site, and here is the exe file. I will click here exe file. This is official set already. Download processes installed. We'll wait for some time. Our download is almost just done. Now we'll go to our exe file. Just double click here. Yes, just double click and next and next. Let's go. Now, just next. Here is just your path, installation path here selection. My default path here is just access your password. Yeah, default. Yeah, next. Yeah, well, most is installation is done. Just finish. Yeah, select it. Next. Next. You have just your again open pgAdmin. Just open and our open is done. Yeah, our password is given. Here is our pgAdmin by default database connected, and next video we are how to remote located DB connected. Thanks for watching.